I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the mic is connected and unmuted, because a good signal saves time later. Open your recorder app now and grant microphone permission when prompted. Without that, the app can't record. Once done, go to System Sound Settings and pick the correct input device so you avoid recording from the wrong source. Then make a quick 3-5 second test recording to verify audio levels and clarity. This first step prevents surprises during the main session. You should now focus on capturing clear audio by adjusting input gain so peaks land around -6 to -12 dB. This avoids clipping while preserving headroom. Next, choose your format and sample rate, 44. 1 kHz-WAV for high quality or 128 kbps MP3 if file size matters, because format affects editing flexibility and storage. Make sure you set a predictable save location. Enable hotkeys like records. You're now ready to finish. Trim silences and normalize levels to make recordings consistent, then export in the format your audience needs and name files with date and topic for easy retrieval. Once exported, back up originals to cloud or an external drive so edits don't overwrite source audio. If something goes wrong, no sound, muted tracks, or distortion, check microphone permissions first, confirm the chosen input device. Try a different cable or USB port, and reboot the app or laptop if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.